Hi, this is the team of Mike, Chris and Luke Haas with Realty One Group Gold Standard. You are invited to view this beautiful move-in ready brick home at 3937 Kleber Street. Located in Brighton Heights, this lovely home boasts 4 bedrooms, an updated eat-in kitchen with large island, a dining room, an updated full bathroom with ceramic tile, a first-floor family room and a first-floor den/office, a covered front porch, a private level fenced backyard, and a detached garage. As you enter this home, the wood-burning stove invites you into the spacious living room to relax. Entertain your guests in the dining room. Just steps away from the updated eat-in kitchen. Enjoy your weekends in the family room. Or invite your family and friends for a barbecue in the private level fenced backyard. You will love the convenient location. Close to town and shopping with easy access to I-279, Route 19, Route 65, public transportation and the bike trail to the city. With an updated eat-in kitchen with large island, 2 full bathrooms, a level fenced backyard, a detached garage with concrete driveway, a covered front porch and plenty of storage, it's ready for you to move right in.